So today I'm going to teach you how to make formulas auto-populate when you're doing automation. Sometimes when you're doing automation, often that involves getting rows automatically added to a sheet, whether that's through a form or through a zap or some other method. Somehow when new information comes in, it gets added to the sheet. But what if you want to calculate something based off that new information? I have a very short form I put together. It's got birthday and people's favorite color, which I just threw in there for fun. And what I really want to know is people's age. And so I wrote a quick little formula here to determine the date difference between what's in this cell and today with a number of years, and that gives me 27. So if I want to know all of these people's age, I would normally, under normal circumstances, I would just drag down the formula. But what happens when a new person fills out the form? So just go 3/6/1980, and this person fills it out. Theoretically, I would have to then come in and drag this down as well. But with array formulas, you actually don't have to do that. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to write an array formula so that your formulas can populate automatically with your automations. First thing you need to know about array formulas is that there's actually a keyboard shortcut for it. I use it all the time. You clicked into your formula and all you need is Command or Control, depending on your Mac or PC, Shift and Enter. Once you do that, that pulls your array formula. You do not have to use the shortcut. You can always type in array formula, but why type when you can shortcut? Unfortunately, that is not sufficient. If I've done that, basically I have told Google Sheets that it should array this exact formula. So I have to tell Google Sheets what array I want it to use. So instead of just B2 in this situation, I would say B2 through B. Now, as you can see, this is now a ref. The reason this is now a reference is because array formulas will never overwrite anything that's underneath them. So I will go ahead and make sure that the rest of it is clear, and there we go, everything is populated. So one other problem that happens with array formulas is that it will keep trying to array. So I obviously could have written this to be 5, but then when a new row got added, I wouldn't have achieved anything. So I want it to be for the rest of the column. And the way to get around this is actually quite simple. It's to write a little tiny if statement inside of your array formula. So the way that we do that is we just write if. If you're not familiar with if statements, I will make another video for that. But if A2 through A equals blank, then nothing. Otherwise, give me the formula. And that will give you a clean answer. And as I can demonstrate right here, if I submit another response, and then just call this a 1/1/1999, blue, submit. This auto-populated for me. I didn't have to do anything. This is obviously extremely valuable for most automations, and you can get quite complex with your formulas here. Another advantage of using an array formula is that with larger data sets, it doesn't calculate over and over again. It calculates it into one formula, which means it uses less processing power. So for a larger data set, you could run things more efficiently that way. It also means that if I wanted to make a change, I only had to make it once. So just to keep things simple, let's say instead of calculating the number of years, I actually wanted to calculate the number of months. All I had to do was change it in that one spot, and that change reflected down to the rest of my array. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Drop your questions and comments down below and give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and join our exclusive IT community at tabgeeks.com.